If you're new to web hosting or you're not quite sure what cPanel is used for, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through telaHosting's cPanel and show you how to use it to manage your website easily. cPanel is the control panel that allows you manage everything related to your website from one place. From here, you can upload files, create email addresses, manage domains, install applications, and handle security settings, all without writing a single code. So let's begin. First, log into your telaHosting account. From your client area dashboard, locate cPanel in your web hosting services section. Click on Login and log into Control Panel. Once you're inside, you'll see different sections grouped by functions. It seems overwhelming at first sight, but don't worry, you don't need to use everything here. Let's focus on the most important ones. To manage your website files, go to the Files section, click on File Manager, navigate to your website's directory, often called public_html. This is where your website files are stored. From here, you can use options like Upload, Download, or Edit to manage your website files. To create and manage email accounts, scroll to the Email section and select Email Accounts. Click Create to set up a new email address. Enter your desired username and password. As always, you can have the site generate one for you, but only if you're sure you'd remember it. After that, click on Create and your email account is ready. You can also manage your databases in the Database section. Click on Manage My Database to create a new database. Enter a name and click on Create Database. After that, add a database user by filling out the username and password fields. Link the user to the database and assign the necessary privileges. For installing applications like WordPress, locate the Softbaculous app installer. Watch our previous video on how to do this. You can also monitor your website's performance here. To do this, go to the Metrics section. Use tools like Visitors to monitor traffic. It shows you a list of people that have visited your website. The Bandwidth option allows you to see the bandwidth usage for your site. The Error function displays the most recent entries in your website's error logs, which helps in troubleshooting. Backing up your website is very important. To do this, go to the Files section, click on Backup Wizard and click Backup. Select Full Backup. Choose the location of your backup and input an email address in order to get the backup completion email if none is there. You can also choose not to receive an email. When the backup is complete, click on Backups Available to download it and store in a safe location. You can find this backup in your file manager. To secure your website, go to the Security section, click on SSL/TLS status to install an SSL certificate to encrypt your website's connection. And I have good news for you. All of telaHosting's web hosting plans comes with a free SSL certificate. So when you purchase any of our hosting plans, you get a free SSL certificate you can install on your website. We already have a video on how to install your SSL certificate, so do well to watch it. Still on security, you can use an IP blocker to restrict access to unwanted visitors. All you need to do is add an IP address, and that's a quick overview on how to use telaHosting's cPanel for website management. As you can see, everything you need to manage your website is right here in one place, convenient and easy to use. If you ever get stuck or need help, telaHosting's support team is always available to assist you, so click the link in the description to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.